First form, second form, third form, fourth form, fifth form. What all are these forms? Let's deep dive into details and know what all are these forms and where these forms are used. So bide with me through my video. Okay. Verb. What is this term verb? Verb are component of speech that describe an activity or a condition of someone being. And do you know there are the five alternatives form of verb and root form of the verb? What is this? The verb root is commonly referred to as the root form of the verb or the base form of the verb, and it is a dictionary rendition of the word. So this is a root. Do you know that there are the five forms of the verb? First form is known as the base form or the root form of the verb. Second form is known as the simple past. Third form is the past participle form. Fourth form is the present participle form or gerund participle form. Fifth, but not the least, is the fifth form of the verb. It is the third person singular present form. So let's know the five form of verb one by one along with me. First form of verb. First form of verb. It is known as the base form. This is the infinitive form without to. It is also used for the simple present tense except third person singular. Let's know the example, that is go, write, speak. So this is the verb, first form of verb. I hope you get this first form of verb along with the example. Okay, this is very simple form of verb. Second form of verb, it is also known as the past simple form. This form is used for expressing the action that occurred in the past and have no connection to the present. Let's learn the second form of verb through the examples. Went, spoke, wrote. So this is the second form of verb. You know the second form of verb. Okay, I hope you get what is the second form of verb. Third form of verb, what is this? It is also known as the past participle form, employed in perfect and passive voice, and past participle form is totally different from the simple past. Fourth form, it is also known as the gerund or present participle form. This and to ing and used for continued tense. Example, writing, speaking, and going. So fifth form of verb, last. Last form of verb, it is also known as the third person singular present form, and this form is used in the simple present and for the third person singular subject, and this form often end with s or es in the end. Okay, and example of these form is speaks, writes, goes. Okay, and I hope you get to know five forms of verb one by one, and let's know the example of these five forms of verb along with me. First form is, it is the root form or the base form of the verb. I love watching movie with my friends. Here loves is the root verb. You are beautiful. Here beautiful are the root verb. He plays well. Here plays is the root verb. Okay, and this is the first form of verb. Second form of verb examples: skip, skipped, cheat, cheated, iron, ironed, dosed, dosed. So here are the example of simple past, which means second form of the verb. Irregular verb form. This is also include a first form of verb. Okay, read, run, ran, sit, sat, throw, threw. So these form of verb, it is known past participle form of the verb, third form of the verb. Verb that take the same spelling in the past participle form or the simple past form of the verb. Let's know through the example. Okay, base form, simple past participle form. Buy, bought, bought, pull, pulled, pulled, drink, drank, drunk. Okay, so these are the verb third form of the verb. Okay, verb that end with different spelling when used in the simple past or the past participle form. This is also the verb third form. Okay, root form, simple past participle. Learn by the examples is ring, rang, rank, drink, drank, drunk, choose, chose, chosen. right road reason. So these are the verb third form of the verb. Some verb end with the same fourth form of the verb. It is also known as the gerund or the present participle form of the verb. Verb have double consonant. Learn by the example: run, running, cut, cutting, sit, sitting. So these are the four regular verb which converted into the present participle form. Run, running, cry, crying. Okay, so these are the example of the fourth form of the verb which is converted into the present participle form of the verb. It is also known as the third person singular present form. Let's know by the examples. Sheila teaches English of the 6th grade student. My father reads the newspaper every day. Mohan likes having cereal for breakfast. So I hope these five form of verb you learn and you know where these five form of verb is used along with the. Here are some examples of the five form of verb. You learn the example one by one, and I hope you get it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my channel. And till then, bye.